All right, time now for next weather, and we have a great week ahead, don't we, Dani?
So
it looks so good.
And I love the 5 stars, the Yelp review. I mean, that's obviously very important. I'm just the messenger. But this whole week,
we're all giving you 5 stars, Dani.
Yeah, okay. You know what? We'll take it because we've got the sunshine, we've got the 70s, we got some 80s sprinkled in there, Lonnie. It is going to be so good going into this week. We have our classic Southern California weather that is back. And on top of that, we're also keeping the rain away here in Southern California. And you're going to notice going into the next couple of days, all that rain that we're going to see from storms popping up in the Pacific, it's all going to stay right here in Northern California. None of that is going to reach us because high pressure is shielding any rain from making its way towards us. So we are going to be warm, we're going to be sunny, and we're going to be dry here in Southern California. So let's talk about how warm it gets in your neighborhood. Good evening, everyone, with a beautiful start to the week. Pasadena tomorrow, it's going to feel like today, 81 degrees. But once we get to this upcoming Friday, okay, now we're talking about the 90. Now we're looking at 90s in some spots. Temperatures running 10 to 15 degrees above average for this time of the year, even up to 20 degrees above average. So rain is going to make it as far south as San Luis Obispo County, but we are staying dry here at home, where afternoons will be about 10 to 12 degrees warmer than late February averages. And then there will be some filtered sunshine at times because storms will pass by to the north of us and we'll throw a few high clouds in there. But you can see as we keep the clock going all the way to Friday, high pressure in position, and that's going to block any of that rain from getting to us. So rain is going to start making some bigger numbers in Northern California, the Pacific Northwest. But here at home, as I zoom you in, you can see no rain chances here. We stay mainly dry for the next 7 days at least. And I'll show you what the next 2 weeks looks like. Tomorrow morning, we're looking at this, temperatures in the 50s to start the day. And then here's a look at our highs. We've got 70s downtown Los Angeles, some lower 80s in Burbank and Pasadena. Feels very much like today, 81 in San Bernardino. Warmer in the high deserts, though, upper 70s there. And we're looking at 60s and 70s for the beaches, 72 degrees over into Malibu. Now, what's going to happen in the next 2 weeks? I want to pull up a map for you of North America, and this is going to show you our CPC temperature outlook map. So this is what things are trending towards over the next 2 weeks. And look at all this red that you see on your map. This is indicating an above average chance for above average temperatures going into the next 2 weeks. So in early March, we're keeping those warm temperatures around here in Southern California. And on top of that, follow me this way, it also looks like we're staying dry here in Southern California as well. This is a look at the next 8 to 14 days in terms of our rain, and it looks like all those storms stay to the north of us. Here's a look at our next 7 days. 70s turning to 80s for Thursday, Friday in Los Angeles and Orange counties. And if you're already planning ahead to the weekend, super pretty weekend out there. 80s for Saturday, valleys 82 Tuesday, 82 Wednesday, and then our warmest days will be Thursday, Friday. Heat peaking Friday as that ridge strengthens. Some cooling early next week, just by a few degrees. We're talking 70s. This is still above average. Inland Empire, hey, we got 80s Tuesday, Wednesday. By Friday, 85 degrees. And again, warmer spots, we're looking at temperatures getting closer to 90 degrees by then. We could break some daily records, and then 80s going into the weekend, a nice weekend to get outside. And we got some beach weather. Look at this. I mean, every day is. It's going to be beautiful, but look at the end of the week. We've got 76 degrees, mountain 60s, 70s in the high desert. So no need to buckle up, Buttercup, with this forecast. It's just looking good wherever you go, Susie 1.
Sure does, Dani. Thank you so much.
We are Southern California.
We are Corona.
We are Burbank.
We are the Santa Clarita Valley.
We are Dana Point.
We are CBS LA.
We are yours.